Hi everyone, having trouble with your USMobile eSIM or activation? Don't worry, in this video, we will guide you through quick fixes to get your eSIM up and running. Let's dive in. Why USMobile eSIM not working, unable to activate eSIM? Device compatibility issues. The device may not support eSIM functionality or may be logged to another carrier, preventing activation. Incorrect IMEI or QR code. Using an incorrect IMEI number or an expired or invalid QR code can lead to activation failure. Network coverage. Lack of network coverage in your area can prevent the eSIM from activating properly. Internet connection issues. A stable Wi Fi connection is essential for internet access when available. Fix 1. Check eSIM compatibility. Go to eSIM compatible check page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Check the device list. If your phone is listed, your phone is compatible with eSIM. If it is not compatible, you cannot install the eSIM. Fix 2. Check coverage. You might be in the out of network areas. Make sure you have a good coverage for successful activation. Visit the US Mobile coverage map on their website. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Enter the zip code or address or drag the mouse point to your location and zoom in to see the coverage. Fix 3. Check internet connection. A reliable internet connection is crucial for downloading the eSIM profile and completing the activation process. Swipe down your device quick settings and make sure Wi-Fi icon is enabled. Open any video streaming app such as YouTube. Play any video and make sure it is not buffering. If so, try restart your router or use mobile data if you have alternative SIM. Restart your device. Restarting an Android or iOS device can clear its memory, fix minor issues like crashing apps, and provide a quick solution to various problems. Restarting an Android device. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Tap on Restart or Reboot. If you don't see this option, you may need to select Power Off and then turn it back on by pressing the power button again. Restarting iOS. Press and hold the volume down button and the slide button simultaneously until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off the device. Press and hold the slide button again until you see the Apple logo to turn it back on. Fix 5. Verify carrier unlock status. If you are bringing your own device and the device is locked, you cannot activate the eSIM. You need to contact device manufacturer support or a previous carrier customer support to unlock the device. For iOS, open the Settings app, go to General, then go to About, scroll down to find the Network Provider Lock section. If it says No SIM restrictions, your iPhone is unlocked. If it indicates any restrictions, the phone is carrier locked. For Android, open the settings, go to Network and Internet or Connections, Mobile Network, Network Operator or choose Network. Turn off select automatically. If you see a list of available networks, your phone is unlocked. If only your current carrier's network appear, it is likely locked. Alternatively, you can insert the other carrier SIM if you have. You will see the signal bar and you can make the call if your device is unlocked. Fix 6. Reset network settings. This action clears any misconfiguration related to network connections, which can help in establishing a proper connection for the eSIM. iOS, iPhone, or iPad, go to Settings, then General, then go to Transfer or Reset iPhone, then go to Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted, then confirm by tapping Reset Network Settings again. On Android, open Settings, then go to System, Reset Option, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. Fix 7. Try activate the eSIM again. For iOS, go to Settings, then Cellular, then go to Add Cellular Plan. Use QR code or a manual entry. Scan the QR code provided by your eSIM carrier. Select Enter Details manually and input the SMDP plus address and activation code. Choose a label for your eSIM for easy identification under the default line settings. Select your eSIM for cellular data. For Android, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then go to Mobile Network. Add mobile plan, use QR code or manual entry. Scan the QR code provided by the eSIM carrier. Select Enter Details manually and input the necessary activation information. Choose a label for easy identification. Ensure your eSIM is set as the default line for mobile data. Fix 8. Enable data roaming. Enabling data roaming allows your eSIM to connect to network outside your home network, which is essential for connectivity in certain areas. Swipe down the quick settings in your device, tap on data roaming to enable it. Fix 9. Contact support. Ensure you are using the correct QR code provided by USMobile for activating your eSIM. Using the incorrect or expired QR code will prevent successful activation of the eSIM. You need to contact us mobile to get a new QR code. Reach out to USMobile customer service through chat, email, help@usmobile.com, or by calling 611 or 878-205-0088. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.